Fifth grade Shurley method, page 53. This is recording part 2. So underline the correct verb choice in parentheses. Use the chart below to help you. So like I've always asked you if you guys could circle it so I can read it better. Bring means to indicate a movement towards you. Take is to take it away from you. Can refers to an ability. May is asking permission. Learn is to obtain knowledge. Teach is to give instruction. So, blank, I phone you tonight. Okay, because it's not an ability, right? It's asking permission. He can speak French and German, so that's an ability, right? My mother has me to ask before getting a snack. Have you learned your vocabulary words for the test? You guys are going to do 26 and 27 for homework. Okay, A and B. So all of this goes together, right, guys? Okay, and then this box goes with this column, right? And this box goes with this column. Okay, so loyalty. What letter would loyalty go with what number? 29, allegiance. So I'm going to put A right here. Okay, you guys are going to do 28 and 29 for homework. Go ahead and circle those so I remember which ones you did on your own. 28 and 30, yes. Okay, immaculate. What's the synonym for immaculate? So using this first column, what's the synonym? D, E, or F? D. Spotless, right? Okay, and then mark them off as you use them so you know you did. 31, immaculate. What's the antonym? D, H, or I? I, dirty. So you guys are going to do 32 and 33 for homework.